Tekubli bi session baru angni mentang ini keren ini kedika NCF National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005 ini keren ini ke NCF 2005 question ini habi day baki ngala banong habi day bat ke CDP dan menta dan rukum ke kayak gini environment bat ke math ki NCF habe de bat kini ki lightly ki subject ni tapi la de page je kini ka first question ni kongum no ni while conceptualizing teaching learning process national curriculum framework emphasize upon the importance of Spangkai. Hangni rung in play biang ke game habe de bat kan negative words but positive words. Telar pe ingi page active engagement but interaction kadege positive keywords lani ka positive words drill and repeated negative kani kadega negative ladingi page root memorization ru kadega negative ladingi page stimulus response association ru kadega negative kamut ka positive kadega active engagement and interaction correct answer kade number 1 teladingi move habai de but ka next question ru kani ba ongum no Katkum ka National Framework 2005, children are passive recipient of content delivered by teacher. Ini contain passive ngani tu EPDE, negative keywords ka positive keywords kadeke ACTIVE kadeka active keywords. Rehang ni kadeke ka passive kamut kani kala light apa. The second yang don't have the capacity to regulate their learning. Kani ru negative kanam laban day. The demata pois kani ki ong learn best through rote memorization kani rubum laban long memorization ki khana ki nam laban learn the kaba shu memorize ki taking point number 4 ro hangni play activity role in construction of knowledge te kata kadega correct answer play activity role in construction of knowledge kamot ka learning ka jong i construct ka jong ki khana ka knowledge ka de ban long active mo then ata number 3 ki ong so number 3 ang ni ong kup nong ni number 3 ka ong kup nong ni ong the NCF 2005 derive it understanding from ke ka kum ke NCF 2005 derive it understanding from ke mde cognitive mde human mde behavior de ke constructivism correct answer ke de ke constructivism correct answer kade constructivism akono kur kom ngai thui phi ngalai thui phi ke jingmut jong constructivism ko mut kum smut kani kade ko all knowledge ke leni ka previous knowledge people long active ye ka ta ko all knowledge ban yo ye ka new knowledge kata ki ong kade ka constructivism kamut people non ka mi ko all knowledge people active ko all knowledge ban learn ka new knowledge kata ki ong kade ka constructivism correct answer kade constructivism telengi page number 5 ang ni 1 2 3 4 number 4 kong no according to the NCF 2005 learning kade passive kanam la bandai pas hangni ru passive kanam la bandai kamutang kini ki option atli social but amud on active but social lani active but simple the correct answer kadeka active and social the active and simple kanam la bandai the correct answer kadeka active but social katkum ka NCF 2005 ka learning kadeban long active and hagaju ko paru kadeban long social in its character correct answer kade active but social hangni tele di next question ro hangni kongkat according to NCF 2005 error are important because they error learning ala banong misconception kade ke joy error lani misconception kyong ba katkum ke NCF 2005 ka error are important error kade ka badot kam ha believe misconception kade ka badot kam ha believe they are an important tool in classifying student sin mi ini classify mod ide negative words because lapa classify student to group and pass mde ban classify student mde ban class provide a way to provide a way to the teachers to school the children. Mi ni kantin school ru kadega negative words. Kamut kani lalai pa. Provide a way to teachers. Provide a way to teachers school children. Then provide an insight into the child thinking and help to identify solution. To kala pandai gini. Then provide space for removing some children from the class. Kani ru kalai. Kamut correct answer kadi number 3. Provide an insight into child thinkings. Provide an insight into child thinkings and help to identify solution. Correct answer tadi number 3 hang ni. Tela dingi move to hang ni question hang ni ko angkup na. Mentang la pois pang ke environment ma. Mentang pang pois la de pang ke environment gini la banong. Question pang ke environment question hang ni ko angkup na hang ni. Which of the following set correctly represent 4 of the 6 themes suggested in the environment syllabus as prescribed by the NCF 2005. Key kita ki themes kiba suggested kiba suggest na kay gani na suggest na ka haka environment katkum ka NCF 2005. Key kita ki 6 theme. Hangni food, plant, animals, family and food, material. Family, friends, food, water, kadigini. Learn apa kala? Kadigini number 2. Family, friends, food, water, and travel. We are like south. Southly la yo kumut southly. Southly deke jang tu. Daily dengan sawat beni kata dengan sa sana group habi debat kini ki 6 theme habi debat ki environment katkum ka NCF 2005 te hakani ka correct answer ke family, friends, food, water and travel. Family, friends, food, water and family and lawai ko no jutali atli hajuma ka demnata ladingi pa next question part deke hani next question hani next question hani according to NCF 2005 according to NCF 2005 which of the following is true about syllabus of environment current panga syllabus environment syllabus is presented as integration of environmental education and social science. Environment syllabus is a thematical integration of social science and environment education. Environment syllabus is integration of science and environment education. Environment syllabus integration of environmental education, social science and science. The correct answer lading kren habedi bat kenika syllabus kabala prescribed kenika ekni deka NCF mo NCF 2005 habedi bat ke environment ka answer kade environment syllabus is integration of environmental education, social science, baka science. Okay, environmental syllabus is integrate of environmental education, social science, but science. Mau kata kade correct answer, mau kata correct answer de number 4. Next question. Which of the following statements are recommended of NCF 2005 for environment learning? Kaya na pedeng jong ini kita recommend habi debat kay environment learning kat kumka NCF 2005. Having sharp boundaries among school, home and community for learning, discourage rural learning la baklal pa, departure from bookish learning la baklal pa, children life at school must be linked to their life outside the school. What confused kan mo hangni thogum no discourage rural learning. Discourage kamut kum no bam bangi klem ko encourage yaki ban memorize mo the discourage kamut true ladagi tho encourage kamut wrong. The discourage then mata departure from bookish learning. Having sharp boundaries among school, home and community for learning. A, B, but D correct answer. A, B, dan option mo. A, A B cái correct answer hàng ni cái dus correct answer hàng ni having sharp boundaries among school home. A B D. Done option A and B only. Children life at school must be linked to the lives of the school. Cái đấy cái vấn đề hàng ní ngà confuse. Children life at school must be linked to their life. Must be linked. Children life at school must be linked to their life. Their life. Correct answer kan dai bakini B C D kan kom B to departure from bookish learning. Departure from bookish learning kawan hakata kom hagan kom. Having sharp boundaries among school. Te gan chui thu ye phi ho shong gajik so thu jong phi kini I'm confused the correct answer ka dai B C D hang ni ma. Taman tang ini move sekali ke next page pa hang ni. The next page ka dai kini. As per NCF 2005, which of the following statement describe environment learning? Acquisition of knowledge and skill from the environment, sharing of ideas and skill among learners, receive information which is being transmitted. Active construction of knowledge by learner. The ABD. Okay. ABD dega correct answer hangi. Gani bong receiving information which is being transmitted. Kamla ban long ta ki khana kim dei ban long kita ki khana ki ba learn tang ki ba learn da ka ba ki nong hikai ki ai hande ki khana dal de ki dei ban sedang ban wat lani ban discover ma te receiving information kamut la long ba ki nong hikai ki ai information ki khana ki receive ki ka ba ki nong hikai ki ai ting nong hikai ki kran ba klar ki khana ki priang la ko piang kata kanam la ban long. Target next question hamni on as per NCF 2005, which of the following should be the objective of environment at primary level? To critically address gender concern and issues of marginalization, to develop memorization skills of child, to emphasize the importance of description learning of to emphasize the importance of description in learning of environment at primary level, to recognize and recall critically address gender concern and issues of marginalization. Which of the following should be correct answer for itu? Ngin move next question par ni angumna bedrong question nang ni ngan itu pi ngan sene pi kini ke PDF ro ba pin puli te habide bat kini on which one of the following should not be Sejingkali kadai negative kamut answer kadai bandai negative angni mo answer kadai bandai negative angni to angum no angni which of the following should not be the objective teaching of environment at primary level as per to nurture the curiosity and creativity of child particularly in relation to correct to engage the child in exploratory and hands-on activities to acquire basic cognitive and psychomotor skill through observation, classification, correct? To train child to locate and comprehend relation between natural and social, correct? To develop precise quantitative skill among children through understanding of the world. Kano siya na pring jong ini? Kano na pring jong ini? To nurture the curiosity. The page pun ba correct sudah. To develop precise mutuno quantitative. Ama power dege ya negative angni ne did not ne power negative kani the positive da nurture the curiosity and creativity of a child particularly in children to engage the child to train children to locate and comprehend the correct answer kani ka to develop precise kani ka correct answer kani gade negative kani de negative angni correct answer gade juto ta ke next question angni angum angni according to the national framework 2005 the place mentang la poi haka mathematics patara na ma ko question gade ka mathematics kani question gade ka mathematics according to NCF 2005, the place of mathematics education in the curriculum framework is positionally on twins concern. These are what mathematics education can do to engage the mind of every student and how it can strengthen the student resource. What mathematics education can do to improve communication skills of every child and how it can make them employable. What mathematics education can do to control the dropout rate of children, what mathematics education can do to prepare students for Olympiad, and how it can help to choose the right of kanita bakla pa kanila bakla pa tingin ni fed ya twin concern hangi kadege what mathematics education can do to improve communication skills gatarum la banlong Kamut correct answer kadiban kong mathematics education can do to engage the mind of every student and how it can strengthen the student resource. P kata di correct answer. Ladingi pe jika maths think ka confuse ba hakini kurkom mo kapon confuse ba ngi hakini ka kurkom mi somba borok ade nang ba option part ni hap choose tangawai ngi lemna. As per NCF 2005, one main goal of mathematics education in school is to Katkum ka NCF 2005 ka main goal jong ka mathematics education develop numeracy skill, enhance problem solving skill, nurture analytical ability, mathematize the child thought process. Pila dengi pek kaneru ikobde kaniru ikobde then choose kan ho bakumta tengin choose kanika. Number 4 kadega correct answer kadege mathematize the child thought process. Kemudian mo ladang pikeli kana 2 plus sumun 18 dei kan no kapor ba pikeli ke pilong pi mathematize ya ka rukom perkhat ke jongki kata rukom ma the correct answer kade mathematize the child thought process. The next question come according to NCF 2005, school mathematics must take place in situation where students realize mathematics as a part of their life experience, realize mathematics as a part of school life, memorize, use convergent thinking. Correct answer करेंगे realize mathematics as a part of their as part of correct. School mathematics must take place in situation where student correct answer करेंगे correct answer करें begini realize mathematics as a part of their life experience. Correct answer. Next question next question as per I have tata ay dapi kadan no sentar ha uh, uh, mm, teman ini yang cekmat hang ni kan dia talk ba la kan nominate khat kan da to hang ni on as per NCF 2005 the goal of mathematics teaching in school curriculum is that children learn important mathematics Mathematics implies important mathematics implies understanding appropriate use of learn mathematical technique, solving mathematical games and puzzle, verifying geometrical theorem in maths lab, knowing understanding appropriate use. Correct answer number 1. Understand appropriate use of learn mathematical technique. Then in move next question as per NCF 2005, mathematics curriculum is ambitious, coherent and teach important mathematics. Here ambitious refer to 6 narrow aim of teaching mathematics in school, 6 higher aim of teaching mathematics in school, teach more than one more of solving problem, teach variety of mathematics like ambitious narrow aim of teaching mathematics in school, higher aim of teaching mathematics in school, teach more than one way of solving problem of mathematics. Correct answer number 2, 6 higher aim of teaching mathematics in schools. Begini page the next question. Kebun dong kamat yang ni dari keren kebun dong ka mat yang ni. Again, next question ang ni. Next question. Which of the following align with the overall objective of achieving mathematics for all as per NCF 2005? A mathematical talented student should be groomed in solution. It should be acknowledged that mathematics is meant for selected few students. Textbook should only include. Kemudian only negative lah cancel apa, should be only mathematics meant for few root cancel apa the negative one. Contribution of mathematics from different regions correct answer. From different regions and different social group should be highlighted. Correct answer number 4. As per NCF 2005, narrow aim of teaching school is developed teach arithmetic and I narrow aim but ka higher aim hangni kamut kumno hangni narrow aim kamut narrow aim kamut haba ki kai mathematics nang mataban panat kaman gisni shumut kum kinong di dukan kiba ken man gisni na kita ke narrow aim higher aim pat kamut kiba le research is phangka to ke ka bagi puli lani kinong to kon bat kum ta ter narrow aim of teaching mathematics at school is to develop numeracy related skill and higher aim is to develop problem solving skill. Kata de correct answer. Hangni kata kadega correct answer. According to NCF 2005, which of the following may not necessarily be the goal of teaching mathematics at the upper primary level? May not continue may not come kadega negative ka answer kadai bande negative hangni. Telling page hangni mathematician of the thought process of learner kani positive. Introduction and building base to higher construct kani positive. Building interlink between number, space and operation kani positive. Kani helping bright student to pass competitive exam kani kadai negative. Negative kamut correct answer de number 4 hane. Teleringia choose command hane next question. Which of the following is an example of teaching arithmetic using heuristic method according to NCF? Finding the sum of 3 or more digit number by rounding off the number, teaching the use of electronics calculator to baklarpa, making student memorize to baklarpa, rounding off numbers to the nearest multiple of 10 in order to add, subtract, multiply, finding the sum of 3 or more digit number to bakla correct answer number 2 hangni habi debat kani ka question. Take next question hangni which of the following align with the overall objective of achieving mathematics for all as per NCF 2005? Mathematically talented students should be groomed in isolation. It should be acknowledged that mathematics is meant for selected few students. Negative. Textbook should only include problem of average positive. Negative sudah gini gemut gini kata positive. Contribution of mathematicians from different region and different social group should be highlighted. Kata kama. The last question angni kong gumna ni. According to NCF 2005, the goal of math teaching in school curriculum is that children learn important mathematics. Important mathematics implies kadege gini ngadap solve. Important implies those concepts and topics should be ini page gini question mark yang gumno according to NCF 2005 the goal of mathematics teaching in school curriculum is that children learn important mathematics. Important mathematics mutu you kami important formula in mathematics must be focused. Algorithm mathematics form an important part of hence should be included as a part of important. Mathematics must include such as meaningful problem which teacher and student consider worth solving and as a part of as a part of their daily life. Those concepts and topics should be considered important in mathematics. Day number 3 gini. Tetanggup ni habi debat ki NCF NCF dengan habli biang ya ka NEP NEP ke bangale menen de tang spang ka language NEP bangale de tang language deple video kedanto mentangin le pada ka NEP ngin sele pada ke NEP ini habi debat ka maths and social. Tetang tay kubli shibun inskindo pan